The following message is transmitted at the request of the Austin, Texas Police Department. An Amber Alert has been issued for the state of Texas. At 1:50 p.m. Central Daylight Time, police are searching for two missing children involved in abduction cases. The first child is Jackson Miller, age 11, date of birth, September 10, 2011. Description: Jackson has sandy blonde hair, blue eyes, and a small birthmark on his right wrist. He weighs 80 pounds and stands at 4 feet 6 inches tall. Last seen wearing a red baseball cap, a gray hoodie, and jeans. The second child is Isabella Garcia, age 7, date of birth, February 14, 2015. Description: Isabella has long, curly black hair, brown eyes, and wears glasses. She weighs 45 pounds and stands at 3 feet 10 inches tall. Last seen in a pink princess-themed dress and white sneakers. The suspect is unknown at this time. Please keep your child with you at all times, and do not let circumstances lead to losing sight of them. The suspect is on foot. If you see the suspect or the missing children, please call 911 immediately. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Austin, Texas Police Department. A civil danger warning is in effect for your area. Residents of the city of Austin, please proceed to your homes and gather your children immediately. At approximately 3:50 p.m. Central Daylight Time, there were reports of 911 calls about a man roaming around neighborhoods, attacking and killing people, and abducting young children. The police have provided a description of the individual. He is currently wearing a yellow dress shirt under a blue argyle sweater, orange striped pants, black rubber gloves, and black sneakers. This individual is considered very dangerous, and should not be approached. All residents in Austin are advised to shelter in place. Block all entrances, windows, and doors. Barricade and cover the windows with tape, towels, or damp towels. Ensure you have enough food, water, clothing, medical supplies, flashlight, and a hand crank radio with extra batteries. If the suspect manages to break into your home, use legal arm protection if necessary. Do not attempt to make contact with the suspect, as doing so puts your life and your children at risk. Please stay tuned for more information on this dangerous situation. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Austin, Texas Police Department. An urgent alert has been issued for the state of Texas. At 5:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time, police are actively searching for a missing child, Aria Sterling, who is believed to be in extreme danger. Aria Sterling, birthed at March 12, 2013, age 8, gender, female, weight 60 pounds, height 4 feet 5 centimeters. Aria was last seen wearing a pink t-shirt, black pants, and pink shoes. She has brown eyes and brown hair. Authorities suspect she may be in the company of a dangerous individual involved in a tragic incident. If you have any information regarding Aria's whereabouts or the suspect, please dial 911 immediately. Do not approach the suspect, as doing so may put your life at risk. Please stay tuned for more information on this ongoing situation.
Good evening, everyone in Houston, Texas. I'm Paul Smith, and we bring you some breaking news. Peterson is reported to have abducted 3 children, and the police have not yet to locate them. Authorities have identified Peterson's real name from a fictional game called Hello Neighbor. Now, let's go to Susan in the city of Houston. Susan, are you there?
Yes, Paul, I am here in Houston, and it's quite chaotic. People are rushing to take shelter, fearing the presence of the neighbor who is still on the loose. All residents in Houston are urged to seek shelter immediately and keep their eyes peeled for the neighbor. It's extremely dangerous, and the police have failed to apprehend the neighbor. Oh my God, I can see the neighbor. I need to run now.
Oh my God, Susan. Everyone in Houston, Texas, wherever you are, please take shelter now. This is a very dangerous situation. If the individual breaks into your home, call 911, or use your legal self-protection if necessary. The police permit the use of legal force. That's all for now. This is Paul Smith signing out.
Law enforcement warning. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Houston and Austin, Texas Police Departments. An individual known as the neighbor has been observed breaking into homes, killing people inside with no mercy, and abducting young children aged 6 to 8 across the cities of Austin and Houston. This individual attacks victims using a bloody hammer, and is considered extremely dangerous to both children and adults. Do not approach. All residents in Austin and Houston, wherever you are, please immediately bring your children inside your homes and lock all doors and windows, to prevent an encounter with this neighbor. If the neighbor enters your home, defend yourself by any means necessary. Stay tuned to this station for more information on this dangerous situation. We interrupt your regular program. This is a national emergency, and important details will follow. This is an emergency action notification. All broadcast and cable systems should transmit this emergency action notification message. This station has interrupted your regular program at the request of the White House to participate in the emergency alert system. During this emergency, most stations will remain on the air, to provide news and information to the public in their assigned areas. This is ABC, and we will continue to serve the Austin-Houston area. If you are not in this local area, please tune into stations providing news and information for your local area. You are listening to the emergency alert system serving the Austin-Houston area. Do not use the telephone lines are kept open for emergency use only. The emergency alert system has been activated to keep you informed. The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. Reports indicate that the neighbor is placing bombs in houses and buildings, followed by a plan to detonate a nuclear device in Texas, Florida, Georgia, Iowa, Washington, Ohio, Chicago, California, Arizona, New Mexico, and all other states, all 50. All residents are advised to seek a fallout shelter immediately. Fallout is a product of nuclear activity, and longer exposure will result in certain death. Please ensure you have enough food, water, clothing, medical supplies, a flashlight, and a battery-powered radio to sustain you for 14 days until the radiation clears. Under no circumstances should not you go outside until the all-clear has been given. The 3 kids who were kidnapped have been found in the neighbor's house basement and are safe. They have been sent to the hospital due to not having consumed enough food and water. It is unknown at this time where the neighbors, the military and the bomb squad are trying to defuse the bombs before it's too late. Please stay tuned for more information on this dangerous situation. This is an emergency action termination. All clear. I repeat, all clear. The following message has been transmitted at the request of the United States government. The bombs that the neighbor was planning to detonate have been successfully defused by the bomb squad and the military. It is now safe to leave your shelter. The neighbor was found dead after being shot by the police sniper. Your government thanks you for your cooperation during this emergency. This station will now return to regular programming.